All right, guys. So I welcome you guys for coming on this channel and also clicking to watch this video. So what I'm here to share with you recently, our big man launched his private jet terminal in Accra airports, and it was so fabulous. Like, it was so fantastic. I was there, I covered it, and I was so happy to see the Gamanche and the Ulome representing us in the form of support to our big man called Dr. Daniel McCauley, also known as McDan Group of Company. So I know most of you were in there, and I have a video that I will share with you, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'm so happy I'm seeing someone like that, like, a Gadangbi rising to that level, and it's to me, it serves as an inspiration for some of us to also aim and aspire. I was telling someone there that, you see, there are a lot of guys out there who are doing well, but they don't want to show their faces. Okay, a lot of them are reserved, and they don't like to show off for the world to see what they have. That's the lifestyle of guys. But naturally, guys are more reserved. They are not loud, as in showing off what we have and all that. So I like him. He's very simple, and I would like to share this video with you guys. So enjoy it, share the video, and also tell others about it. Let the world know about this. Okay, it's a good news, and it's a good news for the whole of Ghana. I'm so happy and wish him all the best. Thank you. I'll see you.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Another 6 o'clock is here. Wake up and meet the morning, dear. Brand new day, it's a brand new slate. Like Barack say, yes I can. Don't let the worries of yesterday hold you down on this lovely day. Well, look up in the mirror and
Witness McDan shipping now starting an airline.
Yeah,
Maya, honestly, what do you think about this project?
I think it's a fantastic project. I respect him a lot for doing that because this will encourage so many Ghanaians to get themselves a private jet, right? He himself got his own private jet just recently. Jet testament of Ibrahim Mahama. I don't know who else got private jet in the country, but I think it's only 2 private jets that I've seen so far.
Yeah.
Anytime I'm leaving Ghana, his own and the one that I just mentioned. So I think this will encourage more Ghanaians. This will encourage more people to get themselves a private jet. And one of the people that they've inspired right now to get a private jet
It's
is
you. So when are you getting your private jet?
tomorrow.
say, yes I can. No, by your faith, by your faith. Not ten one way, not ten one way. Nani bukula kabo. Megana mare kena blow. Not ten one way, not ten one way. Oh, by your faith, by your faith. Nani bukula kabo. Megana mare kena blow. Just do it, just do it. Just do it, just do it. Just do it, time, Mr. King. Just do it, just do it. Tired of lying to yourself yet. Don't you know you are your best bet? Who you waiting for, who you waiting for? You got all you need and more. They will only help when it's convenient. Tell you all of this is for experience. People don't. The secrets of when things will fall in place. See you when time flies, no one can catch it. So don't waste it, you'll regret it. Yeah. The time is now, the time is now. Just believe and say yes I can. Don't buy your favor.
Watch it. Overlord. Iti Mantse. Eka eko. Nakanondi. Afote. Abo. Katamanto Manchester Ekolo. Eka eko. Nakano watch it. Oko boy. Eka McDan. Eko hey.
Pleasure to introduce to you one fine gentleman who is the driving force in bringing all of us together as one big family tonight. He started on the streets of La here in Accra as a young man looking for opportunities just like all other young men in different parts of the world. But he had a different kind of vision and he had a different kind of fire in his belly. Years on, all of the ideas that he's been throwing across the board tables and throwing across to the people who work with him have been realized by the many. It is because of his drive and it is because of the principles that he runs by in running his business and also relating to the community. It is by no surprise that he plays different roles with different traditional authorities in different parts of the country. When you go to Tamale, he's known as Gubana. When you go to the Tiong traditional area, he's known as Na Pini. When you go to the Adan traditional area, where he's running what will become the biggest salt mine in Africa, he's known as Nene Kranting Kabu the First. Ladies and gentlemen, amongst all of us, he's known as your own and my very own, Dr. Daniel McCauley, the executive chairman of the McDan Group, under whose watch we've seen the growth of McDan shipping, we've seen the emergence of companies like Q3, and the emergence of the very, very indefatigable Electrochem Ghana Limited, and the latest baby of them all, McDan Aviation. With a very big round of applause, so much warmth and love, please help me welcome Dr. Daniel McCauley.
I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you. Oyuadon. I can win a Bujente wash Oshpon. Madam Obushi, Oyuadon, thank you very much. I appreciate your presence here. Captains of industry, I welcome all of you and I want to thank you very much for supporting me.
Let's go back. Let's go back. Boss, come on.
And say yes I can, no by your faith, by your faith. Not ten way, not ten way. Niiayivisuals. McDan Aviation blow. Not ten way, not ten way. Oh by your faith, by your faith. Niiayivisuals. McDan Aviation blow. Just do it, just do it, just do it, just do it, just do it. Time is ticking, just do it, just do it. Tired of lying to yourself yet? Don't you know you are your best bet? Who you waiting for? Who you waiting for? You got all you need, or you need more. They will only help when it's convenient. Tell you all of this is for experience. She won't only obey you out. The secrets of when things will fall in place. See you when time flies, no one can catch it. So don't waste it, you'll regret it, yeah. The time is now, the time is now. Just believe and say, yes I can. No, by your faith, by your faith. Not ten more way, not ten more way. Can't even go like a hoe. I got a body, can I blow? Not ten more way, not ten more way. Oh, by your faith, by your faith. Can't even go like a hoe.
Then go through in a second. Your Excellencies here gathered, captains of industry, our very good friends and loved ones gathered here from far and near. It gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you into the newest lounge in this part of Africa. In the history of our nation, this is the very first FBO operator in this side of the world. And today, we're glad, just like every other person who has heard the news, that this historic moment has unfolded before us. At this time, I'd like all of us to do one big round of applause as I respectfully welcome up here to the microphone Bishop Nick Isando of the Action Faith Ministries International, who is here on the strict directive of the founder of the church, Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams, to do a special dedication of this place.
Once again, we're standing in a moment of history. This is a historic moment. Somebody once said that the distance between a dream and reality is called action. And I know that Dr. McCauley doesn't take a lot of work, action, but as we stand here today, I see that this is a symbol of the optimism that the youth of this nation can look forward to. That in all the challenges that we face as a nation, there are men like you who believe in a future of prosperity and affluence. Thank you for your
Believe and say, yes I can. No, by your faith, by your faith. Not ten more way, not ten more way. Can't even go like a hoe. I got a body, can I blow? Not ten more way, not ten more way. Oh, by your faith, by your faith. Can't even go like a hoe. I got a body, can I blow? Don't wait, the time will never be just right. Start from where you're standing now. And work with what you have, work with what you got. See, no one said it won't be easy. Anyone that ever made it said it wasn't easy. But look up in the mirror. Yes, see, yes I can. No, by your faith, by your faith. Not take one way, not take one way. Can't even go like a mo. They got a money, can I blow? Not take one way, not take one way. By your faith, can't even go like a mo.